Namaste, Shri Matre Namaha. So now we will see the next set of slokas. So now we move on to sloka number 6. Praptam Padam Pratamattah. So if you see here, Pratha Ha is a Mahaprana. So a forceful exhalation has to be done here. Prapta Mattah. So half of Ka you have to pronounce here. So Mattah. Why? Because there's a Visarga followed by Ka. So whenever there is that Ka sound after Visarga, it will take half of Ka sound. So you will see Prata Mattah. Halu. Ha is a Mahaprana again. Yat Prabhavat. Yat Prabhavat. So Bha is again a Mahaprana here. Mangalya Bhaji. Bha is a Mahaprana. Madhu. Dhu is a Mahaprana. Madhi. Ha is a Mahaprana. Madhini. Manmahena. Again, He is a Mahaprana. Maya Patetadiha. So here, Maya Patetadiha. There is two tas. One is half ta, one is full ta. So we will have to pronounce both the tas. So Maya Patetadiha. Manthara. Ha is a Mahaprana. Manthara Mikshanardham. Mikshanardham. So this tra which you see here is the muksham. We say, right? That tra. So Manthara Mikshanardham. Mandalasam. Cha. Makara Laya Kanyakayaha. Mandalasam cha Makara Laya Kanyakayaha. Praptam padham pratamatha kalu yat prabhavat Mangalya bhaji madhumadhani manmadhena Maya patetadiha mantaramikshanardham Mandalasam cha makaralaya kanyakayaha Praptam padham pratamatah kalu yat prabhavat Mangalya bhaji madhumadhani manmadhena Maya patetadiha mantharamikshanardham Mandalasam cha makaralaya kanyakayaha. So now we move on to the next sloka, sloka number 7. Vishwa Marendra Padavibhrama Dana Daksham Ananda Hetu Radhikam Muravit Vishopi. So when you see here, Shopi, there is one yes symbol. So whenever this is called as an avagraha. So whenever there is an avagraha coming in between two words, we'll have to extend it a bit like a dirgha. Ishannishidatu. Ishannishidatu. Mai kshana mi kshanardham. So here, if you see Kshana, the ana sound has to come. It's a kshana. It is kshana mi kshanardham. So that ana sound, that na is a strong na. So you have to pronounce it little bit with force. So ikshanardham. Indi varodara sahodara mindi rayaha. Vishwamarendra pada vibhramadana daksham आनन्दहेतुरधिकं मुरविद्विषोऽपि ईशन्निषिदतु मयि क्षणमीक्षणार्धम् इन्दीवरोदरसहोदरमिन्दिरायाः विश्वामरेन्द्रपदविभ्रमदानदक्षम् आनन्दहेतुरधिकं मुरविद्विषोऽपि ईशन्निषिदतु मयि क्षणमीक्षणार्धम् इन्दीवरोदरसहोदरमिन्दिरायाः. Now we move on to the next sloka, sloka number 8. Ishtam विशिष्ट मतयोपि यया दयार्द्र दृष्ट्या त्रिविष्टपपदं सुलभम भ is a mahaprana सुलभम labhante drishti. So after drishti you can see a visarga which is followed by pa. So drishti prahrishta kamalodara deeptirishtam pushtim krishishta mama pushkara vishtarayaha. So here if you see this pushti, krishti, these are all supposed to be a shat kon sha. That is when you say shanmukam, it is that sha. It's not the shiva sha. So here you will have to pronounce it little differently by folding your tongue a little bit. So it is pushti, krishti. So that sha you will have to take care of. Ishta vishishtamatayopi yaya dayardra दृष्ट्या त्रिवृष्टपपदं सुलभं लभन्ते दृष्टिः प्रहष्टकमलोदरदीप्तिरुष्टां पुष्टिं कृषिष्टमम पुष्करविष्टरायाः इष्टाविशिष्टमतयोऽपि यया दयार्द्र दृष्ट्या त्रिवृष्टपपदं सुलभं लभन्ते दृष्टिः प्रहष्टकमलोदरदीप्तिरिष्टां पुष्टिं कृषिष्टमम पुष्करविष्टरायाः. Now we move on to the next sloka, sloka number 9. दद्यादयानु पवनो द्रविणाम्बुधाराम् अस्मिन्न किञ्चन विहंग शिशौ विषण्णे. So if you see here you have Shanmukasha followed by 2 ana. So both the anas have to be pronounced. So Vishanne Dushkarma Dharma Mapaniya Chiraya Duram Narayana Pranayini Nayanambu Vahaha Dadyadayanu Dravinaambudharam Asminna Kinchana Vihanga Shishau Vishanne Dushkarma Dharmamapaniya Chiraya Duram Narayana Pranayini Nayanambuvaha Dadyadayanu Dravinaambudharam Asminna Kinchana Vihanga Shishau Vishanne Dushkarma Dharmamapaniya Chiraya Duram Narayana Pranayini Nayanambuvaha. Now we move on to the next sloka, sloka number 10. Gir Devateti Garudadhwaja Sundariti Shakamba Riti Shashi Shekhara Vallabheti Srishti Sthiti Pralaya Kelishu Samsthitaya Tasyai Namas Tribhuvanaika Gurostarunyai Girdevati Garudadhwaja Sundariti Shakambariti Shashishekhara Vallabheti Srishtisthiti Pralaya Kelishu Samsthitaya Tasyai Namastribhuvanaika Gurostarunyai गीर्देवतेति गरुडध्वजसुन्दरीति शाकम्भरीति शशिशेखरवल्लभेति सृष्टिस्थितिप्रलयकेलिषु संस्थिताया तस्यै नमस्त्रिभुवनैकगुरोस्तरुण्यै